Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve a question on location of center of mass. So let's look at the question. Okay, so let's look at this question. We have three rods of mass length 2a and two rods of length a. We have to find out the center of mass of this whole figure. So how will we do that? So we have to find out the center of mass, right? So this length is 2a, this length is 2a, this length is 2a. So then this is a equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60, this angle 60, this angle is also 60 degree. Now look at this, okay? This is passing through the middle, okay? So this is passing through the middle, that means this length is a. This length is a, okay? And this length is also a. This is 60 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 60, though, so this is also 60, so this is also 60. So this is also an equilateral triangle, and as a result this side is also a, okay? Now all these sides are a, and by the symmetry you can say this is also a, this is also a. Now we have to find out the center of mass of this system, okay, the y coordinate of center of mass. First of all, you note that this is 2a and this is the middle part. So that means y coordinate of this is 0, y coordinate of this is also 0. So that means we have this is lambda into 2a, right? So YCOM is equal to lambda times 2a into 0 plus lambda times 2a into 0. Okay, so these are at the origin. The y coordinate is at 0. Now this one is having the y coordinate as a, this is a cos 60, this is a sin 60, this is a sin 60, right? You can see that this is a sin 60. So it is at a height a sin 60. So this is lambda times 2a into a sin 60. So here plus lambda times 2a into a sin 60. Okay. Now what about these two rods? Now look here, for this rod, this is the midpoint, this is a by 2. Now this, since this is 60, this is 60, right? So this is also 60 and this is also 60. Okay, this is overall 120. Since this is also 60, so this will become 180. So now this is a by 2 sin 60, this is a by 2 cos 60, this is a by 2 sin 60. So this is at a height a by 2 sin 60, but this is having lambda a mass. So this is plus lambda into a by 2 sin 60. Now this is another also rod is there, so I will multiply this by 2. So I am taking this both rods, okay? So divided by lambda times 2a plus lambda times 2a, that is 6 lambda a plus 2 lambda a. So this one will be, this is 0, this is 0, this is 2 lambda a square into sin 60 is root 3 by 2 plus this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, lambda times a square root 3 by 2 divided by 8 lambda a. Now we can cancel out lambda a. So let's cancel out lambda a. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So this is root 3a plus root 3a by 2 divided by 8. So this is equal to 3 root 3 a by 16. This is 3 root 3 a by 16. Okay. Now let me multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. So this will become 9a by 16 root 3. 9a by 16 root 3. That is the second option. Second option is the correct option. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to our channel to get more solutions like this.